Hey, kiddos.
Guess what? We have a song.
You always beat me to my punchline. I have a story first. We know that. I have a story first.
Okay.
Hey, this is Tanglewood Sue and
Accidental Agnes.
And we have a live studio audience today. I'm not going to turn the camera around, but I will. So say hi, everybody. Hello. No, make it sound like there's a lot of you. Hello. All right, when I turn it around, they'll see there's 3. But 3 is awesome. We only had room for 4, so
it's a lucky number.
It is. All right, so I really wanted us. I need to get. Oh, I didn't sit on my stool. That's why you're cut off.
And I didn't wear my 6-inch platform shoes.
Hold on. Hold everything.
There we go.
Is that better?
That's better.
Okay. I was taking a walk with my husband every night. I ask him, like, take me on a walk, calm me down, relax. And I'm walking.
Do you ask him to hold your hand too?
I do, unless it's humid and sticky.
And then like, ugh.
And then he goes, should I bring the baggies? And I'm just, you're so gross. I make him walk the dog though. Yeah, I make him carry the dog because Agnes, you're not in the shot yet. I feel like.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. So I said to him, I need a name for the show. And I also want a theme song. And he's really good with coming up with ideas. So you guys, I'm going to look at you today. I'm going to look at you, but I'm also looking at the people we have here. So I'm not just looking off in his thing. He's really good with coming up with ideas, but you got to wait a long time. He's a long
So how long
pauser.
ago did you ask him?
Long pause. Like 3 nights ago. So we started the walk. Mm-hmm. And then at the very beginning of the walk, I said, I need another name for variety show and something cute. And then 45 minutes later, he speaks and says, how about review? And of course, then I've forgotten what the hell we're talking about.
Review what?
Review. A review.
Oh, okay.
R-E-V-U-E. Right? R-E-V-U-E.
Okay.
Not V-I-E-W.
E-W.
And I went, that's it! That was my favorite song! And that was my favorite show as a kid. And he's looking at me like I'm crazy. What's new? The New Zoo Review. Do y'all remember it?
No.
Yes.
Yes?
No.
Ready?
Chicago.
It's the New Zoo Review, coming right at you. See? We're gonna do cool things, and you can do them too. See?
Woohoo!
We can just make it up on the fly. I think it
okay.
works. So it'll be the New Sue Review. I am Sue.
Yeah.
And I need it to be searchable on Google. But it'll be
And
with...
everything's new and improved these days, so
and it's
why
new
not?
and improved. And it's review, U-E. Mm-hmm. Okay. And with Tanglewood Sue and Accidental Agnes. And our tagline is, ready?
What?
We sing,
We dance.
we DIY.
Woohoo!
Okay, that's what we're doing. All right, enough about that. Let's talk about Pride. Woo woo! It's Pride Month, Pride Week, Pride Weekend. I kind of miss being in San Francisco this time of year, I have to tell you. I mean, there's a lot of pride going on here in D.C.
Really?
Definitely. More for the capitals. But San Francisco is like everywhere you went.
Yeah, if it wasn't for the weather forecast tomorrow, I imagine there's going to be quite a few people at the mall tomorrow.
I will be at Hunfest. Hun, in the rain, with my bouffant.
For those people that aren't from this area, what is Hunfest?
A Hun, spelled H-O-N, pronounced H-O-I-N. Hun. Hey, Hun. I had to learn it. They had to teach me. It's basically...
It's a Baltimore
It's
thing.
a Baltimore thing. It's kind of like from Crybaby and all the John Waters films. A typical Hun is a bouffant, kind of 50s, 60s waitress with the hair up to here and the cat eye glasses and the pink slippers. Like you know it when you see it. So there's a big festival every year, and our band plays the festival, and then we lead the march of 100 Huns.
Oh my gosh.
And it takes me about 45 minutes to put my hair up.
Oh, I can imagine.
It's going to get all wet. It's rain or shine. So wish me luck.
You know, before I knew that there was such a thing as a Hunfest.
Hun.
Hun.
I know,
Hey.
it's hard.
Hun, is there anything I
Hey,
can
Donna.
get you?
Hey, Lisa. Yeah.
What is it you need for your dinner tonight? You need some coffee. So,
All right. So let's show these
I
folks
dressed
what we're
up
going
as
to do.
one.
Oh, you do?
Before I knew what it was.
You're ahead of your time,
I
Agnes.
was.
You're ahead of your time.
I may have the picture somewhere.
So I started making, for Pride, these. I'm going to try to hold it up there so you can see in the light. Let's go. We're right above Agnes's head. Can y'all see that? So these are resin pours. I liked it last week when I was just like, everywhere you went, I said, I'll punch you out. Resin pours, you guys, you can pass these around. And what I did on these is I just free-formed the alcohol ink, the Ranger alcohol ink, right into these silicone molds. Okay, so let me show you a few different things we came up with. So this one I think turned out really fun. So what I did on this one is I poured it in the mold and then I kind of pushed the colors around. And what I learned is that there's a difference in timing. Rock on, you're gonna have fun with that? Yes. And we're gonna do a live on how to use those. So stay tuned, get my card. The longer you wait on your resin, when you first put it in, hey Gabriel, it's really thin and cool. And it'll start getting hotter. Just keep pressing cancel. Sorry guys, it's my new phone and it keeps wanting me to put in my Gmail password. I don't remember it.
I don't remember mine either.
I have no idea.
I hardly ever access the darn thing. I hate Gmail.
I know. And they won't let me change my Gmail account email, which is still set for Sadie Day's Cafe.
Oh.
Luckily, I still have my children named Sadie and Day. But what if I'd named my cafe after some ex-boyfriend or something, and I was stuck with that Gmail account for the rest of my life?
What a reminder.
Luckily, I still love them. Okay, so what I learned was, although you can have a lot of fun swirling all your alcohol ink colors in, you can also make a hot frickin' mess if you overwork it. Now, this one isn't a total mess, but it was getting very close. So let me hold it up there. Actually, this is good because the light's right there. So do you see how, I mean, we can definitely see the colors, but do you see how in the center, like we're starting to get mud? Mud is forming. Mud is forming. So what I thought I would do is see if I could, you ready? Make the resin skin first, cut out shapes, and then put them in the resin.
Good idea.
Do you want to see it? Do you want to see my skin?
Yes.
This is my skin. This is what's left of my skin. Okay. So you guys, I put this on. This is on my Facebook Lives this week, and I also believe I'm making a video of the whole process. Isn't that pretty? I mean, look at that. And if you can see the light shining through, if I put it right above Agnes's head, you can see the light coming through. It's so pretty. But what's really nice is I put in metallics. Can y'all see that? I'll pass this around. So it looks, you can see it both ways. You can see it front ways and it reflects, and then you can see through it, okay? So what I did is I made the skin and I spread it all out over the sheets you gave me.
The Teflon mat.
The Teflon mat, don't do that.
No? Why not?
No. Although it pulled up really easily, next time I'm gonna do it on a plastic sheet. It kept making